The process of etching circuits onto chips is called photolithography. Imagine trying to draw a very detailed picture. You wouldn't use a thick marker, right? You'd want the finest pen you could find. In the world of computer chips, blue light is that superfine pen, allowing us to etch incredibly tiny and complex circuits. The principle behind faster internet is called wavelength division multiplexing. This special blue light is the secret to that. Think of it like sending a message using a secret code. The shorter the light waves, the more information you can pack into each message, and the faster it can be sent through fiber optic cables. However, controlling blue light is a significant challenge due to its high energy. For a long time, it was like trying to catch a sunbeam with your bare hands. The materials we had would either absorb the light or just let it pass through without being able to control it. But now, a team of scientists has had a breakthrough. Think of them as the heroes of our story, who have just discovered a new superpower. They discovered a new ferroelectric crystal called CuInP₂S₆, or CIPS. It's a special type of crystal that is incredibly thin, almost like a single sheet of paper, and it has some amazing electrical properties. This new material exhibits a giant electro-optic effect. This means you can change how it filters the light simply by changing how thick the material is. It's like having a dial to control the light. Their discovery was so important that it was published in a major scientific journal. This is a big deal in the science world, and it means that other scientists can now build on their work. The material has a highly tunable refractive index. Imagine a pair of sunglasses that change their tint depending on how thick the lenses are. That's what this new material does with light. By making it thinner or thicker, scientists can precisely control how it bends and shapes the light that passes through it. And the change is not small. They discovered that they could alter the light bending property by about 25%. In the world of materials science, that's a massive difference. So how does it work? The light interacts with tiny charged particles within the crystal. Think of it like a magnet changing the path of a metal ball. In a similar way, the crystal's internal structure guides the light. One of the most exciting things about this material is its giant birefringence. This is the ability to split a beam of light into two, much like a prism creates a rainbow. And it does this extremely well, even when it's incredibly thin. In fact, this material now holds the world record for how much it can bend light in different directions. It's like having a lens with superpowers. It outperforms all other materials we know for this purpose, including well-known ones like quartz. This makes it a game changer for many technologies. This breakthrough gives us a new superpower, the ability to control light with incredible precision. We can now manipulate light in ways that were previously impossible. And here's the best part. It's surprisingly easy to work with. Unlike other materials, we don't need to build complicated, tiny structures to get it to work. It simplifies the whole process. This makes it much easier to integrate this new material into the computer chips we use every day. This could lead to smaller, faster, and more powerful electronic devices. The science behind this discovery is complex, but it opens up a whole new toolbox for scientists. They can now explore if similar principles can be applied to other materials as well. So, what can we do with this newfound ability to control light? The possibilities are vast and could lead to a revolution in technology, from computing to telecommunications. We can create new kinds of electronic components that use light instead of electricity. This would allow us to build high-performance circuits that are faster and more efficient than ever before. Imagine devices that can generate electricity from light more efficiently, or optics that can be controlled with tiny electrical signals. This material could make that a reality. This could lead to new types of computer memory that don't lose data when the power is turned off, and new ways of using light for advanced computing. The impact could be felt in many areas, from faster internet and telecommunications to more precise sensors that can work in extreme conditions, and even in the development of quantum computers. The ability to precisely control UV light on a tiny chip is a huge step forward. It could change how we build all sorts of electronic devices in the future. This discovery is a shining example of how scientific research can lead to incredible breakthroughs that have the potential to change our world for the better. From its unusual light-bending properties to its incredible power, this material will help us make devices that are smaller, faster, and more powerful than ever before. This breakthrough lights the way to a future where we can manipulate light with ease, transforming everything from the computers in our homes to the quantum technologies of tomorrow.